Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 21. Oh my god, no, it's 22. Happy Vlogmas Day 22. It's currently 4:37 in the morning. I'm starting this vlog currently in New York, but our flight is at like, wait, I don't even know. We get picked up from the hotel at 6. Our flight leaves at 8:30, I think, and we're back home noon California time, around there. New York trip was great, but I am ready to be home. Anyways, we need to pack all of our stuff. I went shopping yesterday, so I have to fit all of my new stuff in my luggage. And then after that, I'm gonna be on the editing grind. Also, sorry my voice is so deep in the morning. Alright, let's do this thing. Thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. Casetify is the world's most popular tech accessory brand known for their protective phone cases and global collaborations. You guys know that I love Casetify and I've been working with them for a while now. Their cases are super cute, very protective, and there's a huge selection, so you'll definitely find one that you love. Now I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items from Casetify. First, we have one of their bounce cases. This has a super cute flower graphic, and because of these extra bumpers on the corners, it protects your phone even more than a Casetify case usually does. Next, we have one of their clear cases. I personally love Casetify's clear cases because you can really see the color of your phone. I think it's super pretty, and something about them is just like so elegant and nice. And finally, we have a phone strap. I also love these. Perfect to carry around your phone. You can put it on your shoulder, around your neck. It's great. Now it's time for the drop test. I'm gonna see if this case protects my phone. Here is my phone before. Everything is in great shape. Let's drop it in 3, 2, 1. And since the holidays are just around the corner, introducing Casetify's gift challenge. I'm gonna go on the website right now and shop for some cases as gifts for my family. For my dad, I'm gonna look at the bounce cases so he has extra protection. I think he'll like this one because of the cool design. For my mom, I'm gonna look at the clear cases so she can show off the color of her phone. This one's super cute and I can customize it with her name. And finally, for my brother, I'm gonna look at their best-selling Impact series. This design really fits him. Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah.
For yourself, your friends, and your family this holiday season and get creative with Casetify. You can go to casetify.com/NicoleLaeno for 15% off your order. Now let's get back into the video. Say hi.
Morning. It's wet. I'm not even doing my hair. I need to wash my face. I need to wash my face. I need to brush my teeth. What the?
Why is she singing?
Is that a song? I think you're losing it. You wash my face. Wash my teeth. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay.
You gotta go home and sleep.
Yeah.
What is today?
Thursday, I think. How the heck is it Thursday already? Like, what? What's that one song? It's like, work, 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 work.
Fifth Harmony?
No. That's got away from home.
No.
Work,
Work, work. That's Fifth Harmony. Work.
How does it go?
Work.
Oh, you ain't gotta go to work.
Yeah.
Work, work.
Yeah.
You can work from home. I don't know why I look so like terrible this morning.
You don't.
Oh, it's because I was crying.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You
say all of that. Alright, you guys, it's time to leave. Here's my airport outfit. I just have this hoodie. Oh my gosh, where's it from? Mom, do you know where this is from?
I don't know.
I forgot. I'm so sorry. This puffer from Canon, Lulu leggings, and then my dunks. Time to go home. Goodbye, New York hotel room. Hey guys, we made it back home. I ended up sleeping like the whole flight. But you guys, there's so many people at the airport. I guess like everyone's traveling for the holidays, but literally lines on lines on lines. But Christian's here, he's picking us up, so yeah, it feels good to be back home. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Like why? Just why? Luckily we didn't check in any bags for this trip, so we can just go and not wait for baggage claim. There's literally so many people at the airport, so there's like a bunch of traffic and Christian's just stuck in it. So I went inside to go pee because I had to go to the bathroom. But there was a Dunkin' here, so we just got some drinks and donuts. And I'm struggling to carry everything right now. But I got a matcha and then a chocolate donut, so yeah.
Hello! How you doing? Hi, Nicole. How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Literally an hour later, finally made it.
Where are you gonna put all this stuff back?
Christian, did you miss us?
Of course I did. Gave me a good talk and now I gotta use.
What are you doing? Can you hold it?
I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down. I'm drowning.
Okay, pay attention now. Pay attention. Oh, she got a haircut. Hi. Hi, Dad.
Hey, honey buns. Hi, Chloe.
Hi, honey.
Welcome home.
Alright guys, for the rest of today, we're just focusing on cleaning up the house, unpacking. Mom is currently opening some boxes and packages that we've gotten from when we were on the trips. Hello! Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. We have some Marc Jacobs, Black Bow. I'm opening these right now. Here's a package from Marc Jacobs. Very shiny. Ew. Oh, how cute. So they gifted me with 2 perfumes. Have a little note, and then the Perfect perfume and the Daisy perfume. Thank you, Marc Jacobs. Next we have 2 boxes from Black Bow Swim. Oh my gosh, stop it right now. They just sent over a bunch of bathing suits. Thank you so much, Black Bow. I cannot wait to wear them, even though it's cold right now, but I will definitely be wearing these. Mom just opened this package and she's like, who bought these? I didn't order that. It's literally just like a bunch of little plushies. They're so cute though. Look at them.
Well, that's kind of random.
I don't know.
I'll take it.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, that's mine. It's a Christmas present. Currently emptying out my luggage from New York and then also my tote bag from Mammoth because we haven't even done that laundry yet. So I'm putting a pile over here. Huh? What?
Puffer.
Oh, the puffer? The Canon puffer?
Does it say
It's
Canada?
super cute, yeah.
Oh wow. Jeez.
So many clothes.
Oh, look, it's me.
Very cute.
Is this new model?
Oh wow, that's a small.
Oh, I thought we had a medium. It's all small.
Well, it's a little tight.
Oh. Isn't it nice though?
One medium.
My bed. Oh, I missed it so much. Okay guys, but my room is an absolute mess. Let me show you guys. It's literally so bad. But I just have like clothes everywhere, things that I need to unpack from the trips. Those are Christmas presents that I need to wrap tomorrow. I think that'll be tomorrow's vlog, just putting all my Christmas presents together. And then I literally have my birthday decor still here, so I need to take these out because obviously it's no longer my birthday. So I'm gonna do some cleaning and hopefully the next clip will be my room all tidy, or at least just better than what it is right now. Okay, see you guys in a sec. You guys, I did it. Look how beautiful. So clean. But my mom still needs help with like the downstairs area and then also the bathroom. So I'm gonna clean up the bathroom right now. Oh, I'm literally going like 70 miles per hour right now, I swear. Hopefully the house will be in order by tomorrow because then we need to get all of our Christmas stuff together and it's Christmas Eve. and it's Christmas. Like, what the heck? Okay guys, it's currently 6:48, a lot later. It's like pitch black out, but I'm on the road and oops. Oh, by the way, I've just been editing for the past couple hours because I was trying to get up Vlogmas Day 20, which is the first New York vlog. But anyway, I'm on the way to my aunt's new house. So if you guys know my 3 cousins, Nolan, Evie, and Kaya, their family just bought a new house that's like 1 minute away from mine. So they're gonna be like in our district now and going to the schools close to me, which is so exciting. But they finally got like their final inspections approved. So now it's move-in time for them, and I'm so excited because they've been working on this house for like the longest time. So we're gonna go see it now. It's my first time seeing like the full thing, so I'm super excited. My parents are already there, and then obviously their whole family. But yeah, that's where I'm going right now. Hello! Hello! Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Jen! Congrats! Congrats to you! Hello, sweet girl. It looks amazing. Come here. Come here. Hi. Oh my goodness. Look at those cheeks. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Yes, please. I'm gonna show you guys like bits of the house. Obviously not the whole thing, but oh my goodness.
So pretty. It's like better than a hotel.
Guys, this is just a powder room. Like, it's not even one of the main bathrooms. Love it.
Powder your nose real quick.
Guys, they have a playroom.
It's like a secret door.
That is hilarious. Come on, let's go upstairs. Come on, Kaya. Oh, wow. It's just like huge. It's so big.
2 years in the making, guys.
Yay, it's finally here.
Let's show Chloe your room.
Come on.
It looks different with all the furniture, too.
That's your room? Whose room is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Shut the front door. This is insane. Ah! I'm gonna be over here all the time.
I'm gonna take it back in there.
Come here. Come here.
Check out her hair.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful.
Watch it.
Evie, is this where we're gonna have sleepovers?
And look, you get to the chair.
Oh my gosh. Go, Kaya. Go.
Watch it.
Go, you got it. Alright you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I am so happy to be back home just in time for the holidays, which by the way, I have so much to do for my Christmas presents. But you guys will see that in the next vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna get some good sleep tonight because I'm finally in my own bed. But I can't believe there's only 3 more days left of Vlogmas and 3 more days till Christmas. Like, what the frick? But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been watching Vlogmas. I know I've said this in like another vlog, but I can't say it enough. Like, just thank you. I appreciate all of you for supporting and watching, liking, commenting, just all of that. Like, I appreciate you so much. And I just want to make sure you know it. But if you guys stayed till the end of this video, comment down below like the cleaning soap emoji. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and go cop some Chloe Vlogmas 2022 merch. 100% of the proceeds goes to charity, so support a good cause and wear some cute merch. I'll see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye. Mwah.